follow. Move to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. It's the reunion, grab your 40s and tip your bottles. Listen to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. Everybody get up, wave your hands and follow. Move to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. It's the reunion. I'm back in the lab with vocab, got them beats cooking up in the booth for me to smash on, blast on. Get rid of them haters, so get your cash on. No time for frontin', I'm here to get my mash on these streets. Delivering heat, cause double threat is on the loose, you better watch your peace. Yeah, ain't a pretty sight when I catch you. A foot to your face, knock the G out of you and put yourself in your place. You better act quicker before these bottles with liquor. Yelling out, oh boy, and on the phone, the victim to these streets. Y'all don't really want beef, let me call him my boy King, so he can release the mad beast. The ghost up to we lie. Oh wait, what to put on me side? I don't think you can handle the wrath of a hobo killer. Cause where I'm from, only cannibals and animals locked up in the cage, let loose when it's time for rage. Grab your 40s and tip your bottles. Listen to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. Everybody get up, wave your hands and follow. Move to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. It's the reunion. Grab your 40s and tip your bottles. Listen to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. Everybody get up, wave your hands and follow. Move to the music and the sounds of tomorrow. It's the reunion.
That intellect, lyrical mindset, laced with that fresh new subliminal high def. Homie, we do it big when it comes to the mic check. Reflections eternal like Wally and high tech. But it's the reunion, so we dropping it real sick. Live